In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Pandadoc template. If you're new to Pandadoc or just looking to fine-tune your templates with a polished finish, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process and walk through each step to ensure you feel confident every step of the way. First things first, let's log into your Pandadoc account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Over on the left sidebar, you'll spot the Templates tab. Give that a click. By doing this, you'll be transported to a new realm filled with all your existing templates. It's essentially your personal library where each document awaits your creative touch. Now scroll through the list, and when you find the name of the template you want to edit, just click on it. This simple action will take you directly into the editor. And here's where the magic happens. Inside the editor, feel free to click on any element, be it text, images, tables, or blocks. Once clicked, each of these components will spring open, allowing you to make the changes you desire. If your vision involves adding fresh elements, simply find the plus icon perched in the top right corner of the editor, click that, and you can insert new blocks effortlessly. With Pandadoc's user-friendly interface, everything you need is right at your fingertips, ready to be dragged and dropped. Maybe you want to add a text block here, or perhaps an image for more visual impact there. Even tables and variables are available to cater to your document's needs, making it comprehensive and engaging for your audience. Let's shift gears for a moment and talk about placeholder fields. These include elements like signature, date, or initials. Click on any one of them to edit their individual settings. It's a small step, but it gives you the flexibility to ensure every detail in your document is just right. As you continue to lay out your content, don't forget about the top toolbar. It's your best friend when it comes to refining the stylistic aspects of your template. Change fonts, adjust sizes, tweak alignment, and more, all from this handy toolset. These adjustments might seem subtle, but they can make a world of difference in presenting a professional looking document. One of the great things about Pandadoc is that it automatically saves as you go. There's no need to worry about losing your progress, so you can focus entirely on the creative and editing process, knowing that each change is being safely tucked away. And there you go, you've not only edited a Pandadoc template, but you've done so with flair and finesse. Keep these steps in mind and you'll be crafting stunning documents in no time. Thanks for watching and happy editing.